Hashtag Japanese share, subscribe, or follow. Word of the day, that is I, watashi. Second, that is akai, katakana. Akai, katakana. Akai means sweet. I, watashi sa Bisaya, ako. Ah, hmm, Kado, dihe, haray maso, I will be and fast. Kurene, shimasu, I decided to get this. What is this? Kuriwa, nandisuka, how much is this? Kuriwa, ikura disuka, tabiru, ihe, trihe, nimo, esle, niboy, wake up, agiru, shihe, miru,